JCTRUTHER. Do a recipe video. Make cheeseburgers. Simple, simple and easy recipe to make cheeseburgers. Best tasting cheeseburgers too. The simple stuff sometimes the best, But yeah, just get you some grass-fed beef. Try to get it local, wherever you're at. Try to support your local ranchers and stuff. Local meat. This one's just some Colorado proud grass-fed beef. I think it's like 90% or something. But yeah, don't get that Walmart beef. For real, that Walmart beef's not good. Like a long time ago, we ended up getting some and we tasted it. It didn't even taste like regular meat. It didn't taste like no animal I've ever tasted before. I was like, oh no. And like ever since then, we quit buying it. We just get our stuff from King Supers and get the local meat. Cause other stuff, like I don't know, it's not good. And you support your local, your local place. But just get your beef, cut it up in like a cake pan, a glass pan like that. It don't have to be like glass, but a cake pan like that big. You throw like 4 burgers up in there. Just cut them like squares like that. You could do circles if you want. But it's just they come in like little square packs, and I just cut them in half, and then smash it down, and then just cut those things in half, so I don't have to like get my hands all full of the beef. You know what I mean? Like patting down the burgers. So I'll just get the beef pack, cut it in half, put the 2 halves right there, and then slice the 2 halves in half, and then just smash it down with one hand. Like just like my fingers like that, and cut it. And then you just add salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder. The 3 simple ingredients or spices. Really like 5 ingredients. You got your meat, you got your cheese that you're gonna throw on top, and then you got your spices, your salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and then you put it in the oven for 400 degrees. So get it preheated to 400 degrees and put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Probably like around, you could check them around 30 minutes, because you know how people like it. Some burgers like well done, or a little like not too much, but like check them like 35 minutes, 30 minutes if you want them a little like medium rare. But you could put your cheese on them, but I usually wait till like 35 minutes or like 37, 38 minutes, like right before the 40, and then just throw a couple pieces of cheese on there. And yep, you got cheeseburgers easy in 40 minutes with about like splashing grease everywhere, and getting a greasy mess, and sitting there all sweaty doing freaking frying burgers, getting grease everywhere. And it's less of a mess, and more easier to do it like that. But yeah, I will show you how they come out. I'll do it and put them in for 40 minutes and see how they come out. Watch it. Alright, the cheeseburgers are done. Just 40 minutes for 400 degrees. So your grass-fed beef, ground beef, some cheese, and then salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Really simple. It was bomb. Without all the oil, and not to be buying oil and have to sit on the stove frying it. You know what I mean? Just put it in there and then come and check. Pretty much right at the end, throw your cheese on it. You could check to see if you want it like, you know, medium rare. I like mine's well done, so I do the full 40 minutes. But if you like yours like medium rare, you check it like at 30 minutes. But yep, it's a good recipe. Yeah, just easy, simple cheeseburgers. But much love. Stay strong, my brothers and sisters, and catch me on the next video. I'm out. Peace.
JCTRUTHER. Much love, stay strong, my brothers and sisters. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.